everyone, welcome back. Happy New Year. This is our first video for 2025, and in this video I want to show you how we took that wig looking like that to looking like this, from old to looking brand new. It is called a closure replacement service. So this service was offered by one of my stylists at the Studio Divas Apparel. We have a wig salon based in Port Harcourt, and we accept wigs from all over the world. No matter where you are, we can accept a wig and work on it. So this is the closure. It was a new closure that we got. The customer bought from us. HD lace 6x6. You can see two of them. So we actually, the service was booked for 2 weeks that she was bored of. The customer was bored of our wigs. Let me show you guys what the video. This is the wig. This is it. This is what it looked like. Very boring. Was really old. The closure was dead, and the hair quality and the bundles, they are so good. Like, she has raw hair bundles, and it was paired with this closure. The closure is not very good. That's one mistake a lot of people do when they buy wigs. You buy very expensive bundles and you pair it with a very bad closure or frontal. No, you need to choose high quality. So this is what we're gonna do. Started by bleaching off the lace closures. This is not a closure, but I'm just showing you what bleaching looks like. I'm going to show you that in another video that I'll be posting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot coming this year. So this is the new closure. You can see it versus the old one. The old one is a 4x4, and the new one is 6x6 HD lace. The old one was not HD, it's French lace. So the next thing we're supposed to be doing is to block off the customer's head measurement on the dummy head. This customer is a size 22, so we're going to be using a 22 block head, right? This is me just comparing the two closures together side by side. You can even see the quality. If you know hair very well, you can see the quality. So next thing we did was I took off we loosened the closure from the wig. We didn't lose them completely. We didn't lose the wig completely. This is why closure replacement size is very important. So we blocked her measurement on this size 22 dummy. Remember, I said she's 22, and that's why we chose 22. And then we pinned down the lace. I'm so sorry, this video is not very detailed. It's a very old video that I have on my phone, but I wanted to post it so people who are bored of their wigs, they are tired, something is wrong, they can just book for a replacement service or reach out to us for consultation, or your wig maker wherever you are. If you cannot send your hair down to Nigeria or to Port Harcourt, you can reach out to a very good wig maker and they can do this for you. So this, you can see we stitched down the closure to the wig cap. This is why when you're making a wig, or you have a wig maker making a wig for you, when you're trying to cut off the excess cap under the lace after you finish sewing, don't cut off everything. You need to leave some allowance for whenever you want to do a closure or a frontal replacement. So you can see that the closure has been stitched down to the wig cap, and this is what it looked like after we were done. So we went ahead to pluck. All that tutorial will be posted here. Video on plucking, bleaching, tinting, all of that will be posted one after the other, so you can understand this service better. Okay, so the closure was already bleached, and then went ahead to pluck it and then to style. So this is the wig styled. It just looks brand new. Like, you won't even believe that it is that same old hair. That's what happens when you get bored of your wigs. The next thing you're supposed to do is to find a way. If you want to layer it, to cut it, to add color, to change the closure, you can do anything to make your wig look brand new, especially if you buy high quality hair. That's the reason why hair, we used to say hair is an investment, okay? Because you can have it for years, 10 years, and all you just have to be doing is to be making small changes and to be looking brand new. So this hair, the coils were getting arranged so we could spray it and put it in a bag and ship it off to the owner. So you can see the wig looks brand new, but this wig is not brand new. This customer has had this hair for years and years. So yeah, we're just spraying with a holding spray to make sure that the curls do not fall off quickly, and sprayed it thoroughly. I actually took it off from this wig head and sprayed it properly before we put it in the bag. So took off the coils for the second one. There were 2 wigs that we worked on. This is the second one. If you notice, this one has the brown tips. It has brown highlights at the tips, of the hair. So we sprayed it, repeated the same thing. The wig looks brand new. Like, when I showed this customer her hair, I remember back then she was shocked. Oh my god, I can't believe this is my hair. She was really excited, and yeah, she's one of our loyal customers. We love loyal. We have a lot of loyal customers at Divas Apparel, and it makes me very, very happy, as even as I'm doing this voiceover, that it's such a blessing that customers come in and they stay this particular wig came in from Abuja. So we can accept your hair no matter where you are. We have hairs coming from London, from the US, for revamping, for closure replacement, for highlight, for color, for layering. So these were the 2 weeks. We bagged them and then we shipped it off to Abuja. So if you have any wig that needs touch up, you can send an email or click the link below in the description. And yes, I'll see you guys in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There's a lot that is coming this year. A lot of videos will be posted, and you guys know that I don't hold information, I share. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the comment section. Let me know if this was new, if you found it educate. Just drop a comment. Thank you, and I'll see you guys. Bye everyone.